Welcome to the world's largest dairy farm, where innovation and technology converge to create a state-of-the-art operation. This isn't your ordinary farm, no. This is a testament to the incredible power of modern agriculture, a place where technology and tradition intersect to create something truly extraordinary. Here, rolling fields are not just punctuated by cows and the occasional farmer, but by the hum of machinery, the glow of digital screens, and the rapid-fire precision of robotic arms. This is the new face of farming, a place where the age-old practice of dairy farming meets the cutting edge of technological innovation. This expansive dairy farm is a living, breathing testament to the possibilities of modern agriculture. It's a place where every cow is monitored by advanced sensors, every blade of grass is analyzed for its nutritional content, and every liter of milk is tracked from the cow to the consumer. But this isn't just about the technology. It's about how this technology is used to improve the lives of the cows, the quality of the milk, and the sustainability of the entire operation. The advanced machinery and technology used here ensure that each cow is well-nourished, healthy, and comfortable, which in turn leads to the production of high-quality milk. The farm's commitment to using cutting-edge technology doesn't stop at the cowshed. Once the milk is collected, it's processed, pasteurized, and packaged using state-of-the-art machinery, ensuring that the milk that leaves the farm is as fresh, safe, and nutritious as possible. But this is not just a story about one farm. It's a story about the future of agriculture. It's a story about how innovation and technology are transforming the way we produce food, making it more efficient, more sustainable, and more beneficial for everyone involved. So let's embark on this enlightening journey together, exploring the intricate dance between advanced machinery and the timeless art of dairy farming. Let's delve into the fascinating world of modern agriculture, where the future is being shaped one cow, one blade of grass, and 1 liter of milk at a time. Join us on an enlightening journey through the process of using advanced machinery and technology to nurture milk and process dairy products on a massive scale. The journey begins with the care and well-being of dairy cows, a task made efficient and precise through the use of cutting-edge agricultural machinery. As the sun rises over the world's largest dairy farm, it's not just the farmers that get to work. A complex symphony of advanced machines and technology also springs to life, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and productivity of the farm's star performers, the dairy cows. Let's delve into the details. At the heart of this operation is the automated feeding system. This is not just about delivering hay to the cows. It's an intricate process that takes into account the nutritional needs of each cow, ensuring they receive a balanced diet that's optimal for their health and milk production. It's a blend of science, technology, and animal husbandry that revolutionizes the traditional concept of feeding. But the role of technology doesn't stop at feeding. It extends to monitoring the cow's health as well. Advanced sensors track each cow's vital signs, movement, and even their chewing habits. These details might seem minute, but they are pivotal in detecting early signs of illness or distress. This proactive approach allows for prompt veterinary intervention, averting health issues that could impact the cow's well-being and the quality of milk they produce. In this vast dairy farm, technology is the unsung hero, working tirelessly in the background to ensure the well-being of the cows. It's an intricate dance of machinery and algorithms that never misses a step, ensuring that every cow is well-fed, healthy, and ready to produce the high-quality milk that this farm is known for. From automated feeding systems to advanced monitoring technology, every aspect of cow care is meticulously managed to ensure their health and productivity. It's a testament to how technology and innovation have transformed the way we care for our dairy cows, setting new standards in the industry. This is just the beginning of our journey through the world's largest dairy farm. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the marvel of modern dairy farming. As the cows are milked, automated milking machines swing into action, delicately extracting the fresh milk with precision. This is no ordinary milking process. It's a symphony of technology and efficiency, transforming a traditionally labor-intensive task into an elegant dance between bovine and machine. These automated machines, the epitome of innovation, are designed to be gentle, ensuring the comfort of the cows while also being efficient to handle the vast numbers of cows on the world's largest dairy farm. Every cow has a unique milking rhythm, a rhythm that the machines adapt to, ensuring each cow is milked according to its comfort and needs. A series of sensors and advanced software play a pivotal role in this process. They monitor the quantity and quality of milk each cow produces, providing valuable data that helps manage the health and productivity of each individual cow. The milk, once extracted, is immediately cooled to maintain its freshness. This immediate cooling process is crucial as it ensures the milk's nutritional profile and taste remain intact. It's the first step in preserving the high quality of the dairy products that will eventually end up on your breakfast table or inside your favorite dessert. This automated milking process is not just about efficiency and scale. It's also about sustainability. By using technology to optimize the milking process, the dairy farm significantly reduces its environmental footprint. It's a testament to how innovation can help us produce more while consuming less, a crucial aspect in today's world where sustainability is no longer a choice, but a necessity. The seamless coordination of man and machine results in a bountiful harvest of milk, ready to be processed into a variety of dairy products. It's a beautiful example of how technology can enhance natural processes, creating a sustainable, efficient, and high-quality milk production system that serves as a blueprint for the future of dairy farming. Once the milk is collected, it undergoes a meticulous processing and pasteurization process to ensure its safety and quality. This journey of transformation begins with the milk being cooled to a low temperature. This is done to maintain the freshness of the milk and prevent any bacterial growth. Next, the milk is subjected to a process called homogenization. Invented in the late 19th century, homogenization uses intense pressure to break down the fat globules in milk, preventing them from separating and floating to the top. This results in a smoother, creamier milk that's more enjoyable to drink. Following homogenization, the milk is pasteurized, a process named after the French scientist Louis Pasteur. Pasteurization involves heating the milk to a specific temperature for a set period of time. This process kills any harmful bacteria present in the milk, ensuring it's safe for consumption. Now, we come to the final stage of the process, packaging. Here, advanced machinery comes into play once again. Automated filling machines rapidly and accurately fill containers with the processed milk. These machines are calibrated to fill each container to the precise volume, ensuring consistency across every single unit. The containers are then sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution. Throughout this process, quality control is paramount. Samples are regularly taken and tested to ensure the milk meets stringent quality standards. The machinery used in these processes is equipped with sensors and advanced monitoring systems to ensure every step is carried out with precision and accuracy. The advanced technology ensures that the milk is handled with care and efficiency every step of the way. The result of this meticulous process? A high-quality, safe, and delicious product that's ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. So, the next time you pour a glass of milk, remember the remarkable journey it took from the farm to your fridge, and raise a toast to the wonders of modern technology. From the processing facilities to the distribution centers, the journey of the dairy products is a marvel of modern agricultural machinery. The logistics involved in getting these fresh, nutritious products from the farm to homes around the world is a complex dance, made smoother by the use of advanced technology. Packaging is the first step in this final phase of the journey. Here, the dairy products are encased in eco-friendly materials, ensuring they remain fresh and safe for consumption. The process is automated, with machines swiftly and accurately wrapping, sealing, and labeling the products. Each package is then sorted according to its destination, ready for the next stage. This is where distribution enters the picture. Advanced logistics systems are used to track every package, ensuring they reach their intended destinations swiftly and efficiently. From local grocery stores to international markets, these systems ensure that the dairy products from the world's largest farm reach consumers in every corner of the globe. The role of technology in these final stages cannot be overstated. It allows for precision, speed, and efficiency, ensuring that every package is accounted for, every destination is reached, and every consumer gets to enjoy fresh, high-quality dairy products. It's a testament to how far we've come in harnessing the power of innovation for the benefit of agriculture. But beyond the machinery and technology, it's the people behind the scenes who truly make it all possible. The engineers who design and maintain the machines, the operators who oversee the process, and the farmers who work tirelessly day in and day out. It's their dedication and expertise that truly bring the process to life. As we conclude this journey, we celebrate the fusion of technology and human ingenuity in creating a sustainable and efficient dairy farm that caters to the world's needs. So, join us in celebrating the hard work and expertise of those who harness the power of technology to produce high-quality dairy products for the world to enjoy.